before we start, I would also kindly ask you to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, or the chicken dies. So just click the button and then we can get on with the video. And there we go. Thank you so much. I wanted to add some animals to the game, so I started by creating a model for the chicken. After the model was created, I rigged it so that I could create some animations for it. First I made a walk animation and then a pig animation. I then wanted to bring the chicken to life, so I added some simple code for the chicken so that it could pick a random position and walk towards it, or play the pig animation every 10 seconds. And as you can see, it actually looks pretty cool when I add in a whole bunch of chickens. I also wanted to be able to get some loot from the chicken, so I created a feather and a meat model that the chicken could drop. After that, I also wanted to rework the farm mechanics so that the player could move while playing the farm animations. I also need to be able to defeat the chickens so that I can get the loot. The first attempt didn't go as planned, but as you can see, the second try went way better. As you can see, it drops some meat and it also drops a feather when it dies. Last but not least, I also wanted to be able to feed the chicken, and to do that I created a plant that I could chop down to get some corn. But before I could chop down the plant, I also needed to create a tool for chopping it down, so I decided to create a sickle. I then needed to create an animation for using the sickle, but I actually had no idea how to use it, so I had to do some research first. After a lot of research, I managed to create the perfect animation. As you can see, it looks exactly like a real person that uses a sickle. When I had chopped down the plant, I simply needed to add some corn to the game so that I could drop it on the ground for the chicken. Before we end the video, I would like to take a moment to say thanks to all my patrons, because I wouldn't be able to do this without you, so thank you so much for all your support. I'd also like to say thanks to Victor for his tier 4 sub this month, and special thanks to James Bond for his tier 5 sub again this month.